Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make toilet oxygen cleaner at home. First, you'll need some basic ingredients. Start by measuring out 1 cup of baking soda and 1/4 cup of citric acid. These two components are key to the cleaning action. For a pleasant aroma, add about 15 drops of your preferred essential oil, like lemon or tea tree. Make sure all your ingredients are completely dry before mixing to prevent any premature reactions. Once you have your ingredients ready, it's time to mix them. Gently combine the baking soda, citric acid, and essential oil in a non-metal bowl. Stir well to ensure an even distribution. Then, simply pour the entire mixture directly into your toilet bowl. You'll immediately notice a fizzing action as the oxygen cleaner begins to work. Let it sit for at least 20 minutes to maximize its cleaning power. This homemade oxygen cleaner offers several advantages. It's incredibly effective at tackling tough stains and eliminating unpleasant odors, leaving your toilet sparkling clean. Plus, it's a much safer and more environmentally friendly option compared to many commercial cleaners that contain harsh chemicals. Remember to always store any leftover mixture in an airtight container in a cool, dry place to maintain its potency and prevent accidental activation. For best results and to maintain a consistently clean toilet, we recommend using this homemade oxygen cleaner weekly. After the fizzing action has completely subsided, you can use a toilet brush to give the bowl a quick scrub, especially for any stubborn rings or marks. This ensures a thorough clean every time. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.